here we have Protect the Boss, the full series, DVD, and the original soundtrack, and the poster behind it here. But yeah, so the reason I got this, well, this is one of my absolute favorite people in all of K-pop, JJ, so it's not that weird. But the soundtrack actually includes one of my top favorite songs too, which is of course JJ's song. No surprise there, but yeah. But the thing is why I got the DVD, because I wasn't planning on getting this. I was, however, planning on getting the soundtrack. But DVDHeaven had this, they still have those, they've started them only today offers, and this one was on one of the days last week. So you got both the soundtrack and the poster and the full series on DVD for like, was it $26, $27 something? So I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting it. No doubt, I'm getting it. So yeah, I ordered it straight away. And here it is. So it came rather fast. So I'm going to do an unboxing of them. And then I'm of course going to, I've listened to this since I got it today. Of course, been listening to the full soundtrack. But I'm going to watch the DVD sometime when I have the time. Yeah, I'm not big on watching dramas. But yeah, let's do the soundtrack first. So this is the front, the back, and we have the track list right here. So there's 8 songs, and then there is the instrumentals of all the songs. So in total 16 tracks. Side. And the CD. And the photo book. Rather thick pages, but the whole album is really light. It's not heavy at all, which is quite nice. It's in a digipack, which I like more than a jewel case. Even though this one is plastic, but still, yeah. I prefer digipacks over jewel cases any day. Oh. And that was that, and the DVD front, oh, the back, side, the other side. So you take it out, it's in, as you can see, rather thick cardboard sleeve. Oh yeah, sorry, should show these ones as well. This has all the information. So as you can see, it's subtitled in English, which is great. Wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't, because well, I need subtitles. So, and here we have both of them. So first we have disc 1 to 4. So it's the complete series, which is really nice. Get the information here too. So I'm guessing it's, yeah. And information about those two. And so we get the DVDs here. And pictures. haven't actually watched this show yet. Did I say that already? But yeah, I know, like, almost everyone I know is in K-pop and isn't into K-pop have seen it, it seems. So it's about time I see it. I mean, it's JJ, so has to be good. But yeah, I'm not big into dramas, that's why. But yeah, I heard this one is really funny, so gotta watch it now. Now that I finally have the DVDs, so yeah. And next one, so JJ and pictures right here. So see if I can put that one back. Just going to show the poster too. Oh, upside down, sorry. So that's the poster. Of course, there is a big glare. Oh no. There we go. That's better. So that's the poster too. You should go to track list. So it's for the soundtrack. Poster is for that one. And yeah, just put everything back. So yeah, that was my unboxing of Protect the Boss, the full series, and the soundtrack. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!